Batay sa report na nakarating si Campo Aguinaldo, naitala ang isang kaso ng pagdukot at pagpatay ng mga rebeldeng NPA sa isang sundalo at CAFGU sa Paquibato, Davao City, September 21, 2011. Habang umiira lang 24 na oras na dineklarang tigil putukan ng Sandatang Lakas ng Pilipinas ayon kay AFP Public Affairs Chief Colonel Arnulfo Marcelo Burgos.
However, we are saddened that despite our SOMO against the NPA, the rebel group took advantage of this peace day and abducted one of our soldier in a CAFGU and then eventually murdered them. Kasi according to witnesses, civilian witnesses who actually saw kung papaano sila hinarang ng armed group in the area, natakot yung mga civilians. And that means they were abducted at dahil pinatay sila, this means this is a clear violation of the country. It was generally peaceful all over the country, but there was one incident in Davao.
Ang dinukot at pinatay ng mga rebeldeng NPA ay nakilalang sina PFC Ronel Mansiwagan at CAFGU Ortega Carian. Natagpuan ang kanilang bangkay sa barangay Upper Mapula, Paquibato District, Davao City, alas 8 ng gabi, September 21, 2011. Sinabi pa ni Burgos na ang mga biktima ay off-duty at walang armas nang lapastanganin ng mga rebeldeng NPA.
The initial investigation said that they were unarmed and off-duty and they were abducted on their way to Panabo City to attend a wedding. And they were both member of the Ata Manobo tribe, meaning indigenous people sila. In this case, the New People's Army completely disregarded or UN declared International Peace Day. And then, as a signatory to the Karil, this is a clear violation of the Comprehensive Agreement on the Respect for Human Rights and International Humanitarian Law.
Si Colonel Arnulfo Marcelo Burgos, mula si Campo Aguinaldo, RH 911, Bing Formento ng DCRH Nationwide.